welcome to another episode of
DollyDTV!
Today we have a mystery box from the Slime Boutique London. Well, welcome once again to DollyDTV. What are you doing?
I'm stretching the slime.
Oh, you're stretching the slime because this, this box is from a company on Etsy called Slime Boutique London. It is a surprise slime box. And you, for one, are very excited, aren't you?
Never really felt slime before.
Yes, you have. There is a selection of slimes that you can get from the Slime Boutique. And some of them are I can't wait. I don't know what's in here. It could be like bogey slime, as I call it, or it could be fluffy slime. It could be anything. And I know there's a squishy in there as well.
I really want it to have
it's really
fluffy
heavy.
slime. Let's build.
Really excited.
I really want it to have fluffy slime and maybe some butter slime.
Oh, I will leave the link below.
Edible slime.
That's just marshmallow, isn't it?
Marshmallow. You can make edible slime out of marshmallows and gum.
Oh. Ooh. So I'm actually quite excited to open this as well, aren't you?
Try not to stab yourself.
Oh! Ooh, this is so good. This is so exciting. Go on then. In you go.
Oh, okay.
What's the? Oh, hello. Okay, let's have a little look. So all the slime is like this. So they are quite large packets and they're also lovely wrapped. They really are. So what's this one called? Slime! Hang on, let me get rid of the scissors. If I can't do it, I don't think you can. So here we go.
Can I open it?
We have got, oh, it's mint. It is flavoured. I think it's flavoured anyway. It's mint sorbet cloud slime. This one is. Oh, look. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a chocolate chip. Oh my goodness, let me show. Let me show.
Can I open the slime?
Look, how cute is that with the slime? It's a little like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
It says for fluffy cloud slime, add sprinkle of DIY instant snow.
Oh. Ooh. Why do we have to add that? What does that make it do?
Can I be
So there's the logo. Look, Slime Boutique London.
It's a little unicorn.
It is a little unicorn. That looks so yummy.
Can I be the first one to feed it?
Of course you can.
I'm the most excited here.
I bet you are. There's loads more in there.
How many more? And plus, my favourite.
Oh my goodness! That. Oh, smell that.
Oh, can I add this?
Yeah, if you want to. Can we get it out first and actually have a look at it first?
Yeah.
It is green, so we're going to have to use it in the other camera. Oh my goodness. That is, for someone like me, I don't, as you well know, I don't like bogey slime. But look at that. So fluffy.
Is it sticky?
No, not really. Oh, that is so satisfying.
Can I please feed it, Mummy?
I love the smell. Here you go.
It's sticky.
Not really. There's a little bit left in here.
It's sort of sticky.
It's going everywhere!
This is a slime fail!
Only on you. So for fluffier clouds, so you just add, so there's an extra little packet there if you want to make it even fluffier, but this is fluffy enough, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit sticky.
It's not that
Can I poke it?
Of course you can. Oh, does that feel good?
Oh,
Let me do it. Let's do in this camera here. So
I need to go wash my hands.
no, you
Look at them.
So mine like it too. Look at that. It is. That is actually really satisfying. It feels so yummy. This one.
That can be yours.
Oh, it feels.
That is yours because it's sticky. I don't like sticky.
I don't feel that sticky at all. I've got a bit of residue left on my hands, but I wouldn't say it's sticky. I wouldn't say it's sticky at all. That one. Right, so I'm going to put the lid back on that one. So, what do you think of that slime?
Sticky.
You don't like that one?
No.
I much prefer it than the other ones.
Oh,
What's that?
so unicorn frappuccino.
What's it say on the bottom? Unicorn frappuccino. Where'd you get that?
You do.
No, that. Oh yeah, that's cute. There's loads of little charms.
Vanilla frappuccino.
You are right. It's with frappuccino. So where's the little?
It's
Can I just?
frappuccino slime.
Can I just take that?
Hopefully it's fluffy slime.
Oh my goodness! I love these little charms that are in each one. Look how cute that is. It's like a little yeah. Coffee
Frappuccino.
frappuccino. So cute.
Ready?
Oh, can I just show everyone at home in the box first? So
Can I wash my hands because I don't want to get the green stuff in that one?
Yeah, go on then, quick.
Jump cut!
Look at all the different colour rubber. Well, Isabella, she's on camera over here, wiping her hands at the minute. But look, they've even made like different colour bands that go with it. So the green ones went with the mint, and then this one.
Purple went with the vanilla
This one is vanilla
frappuccino.
frappuccino slime.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
You ready? Oh, are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh. It looks really
my
sticky.
goodness. It does look really sticky, this one. Oh, it really does. Or, eesh. No, it's not too bad. It's just fluffy. It's really fluffy.
Can I take it
Of course you
out?
can. So it's stuck a little bit to the lid, but it's all to be expected, really, with slime, isn't it?
Yeah. Slime
So-
is just sticky.
What do you think of that? You're one happy little girl right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, should we get it all out and then show the camera? What have you got in there? So, I think it might be a bit the other one. But if I get it all out, oh, it comes out quite nice and clean, look. This.
Is it sticky?
Oh.
I'm going to put some more activator in it so then it's not as sticky.
Is that what you do, is it?
Yeah.
I don't find this sticky at
You
all.
put lotion in it if it's sticky.
I don't find this sticky at all, though.
I got the bit with the glitter in.
Oh, is there a bit of glitter? Do you want to put it in the middle?
Wait, let me.
There's a bit of pink glitter that's stuck to the thing, but we can sort it out, can't we? Do you know what? I've never had slime that smells so good.
Me either. I've never really had my own slime like this.
Well, it's not the most easiest thing in the world to make, is it? Really? I know people are going to go to the video. Oh, it's really, but I like this. This has to be my favourite one, and I don't know whether you can see. Of course you can in a minute. I don't know whether you can see. We've put the pink glitter in it now.
Is it sticky?
A little bit sticky. There you go.
But we can clean our hands.
Yeah, we've got some baby wipes now
Why
to
did
clean
you
our hands.
put it in there?
Sorry. Isn't that just so satisfying? Warning, choker hazards. This product contains charms and beads. Is there charms and beads? I think it all says that. It's just a safety warning, just in case.
Oh my gosh. I love
Oh my
this.
goodness, that stretches, doesn't it? Ah, it's everywhere!
It's the
Come on then,
lid.
should we go to the next one? Pop it back in. Let's do the next one. I gather this one's your favourite so far.
It's really sticky. Can you help me get it off my hand?
Why has it done that to you and it didn't do it to me?
I don't know.
Well, I actually bought the 4-pack of slime. You can get a 6-pack of slime as well from the Slime
I wanted
Boutique.
to pick the last one out.
I love the way how they're all.
Oh, it's got like beads in it.
It's glitter.
Glitter.
It's glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Unicorn magic slime.
Whoa! And it's got the most cutest little unicorn. Oh, I love this key ring or keychain.
How we say it.
Wasn't expecting these. I must admit, these keychains. Oh, hang on.
What?
You pull out. Okay, I just have to pull something. Oh my goodness! Look at this.
Okay, ready?
I love it.
Ready for it, Mum?
I know, I like the keyring.
I like...
Oh, it's got bits in it. Hang on. Oh, let me just put the lid back on.
Just let me smell.
Hang on, let me just show
Oh,
everyone.
it smells like
So
marzipan.
this one is this one. This one is this one. Obviously, it's this one. It does smell of marzipan. It really does. And then, if you have a look in here, there is
Bits.
beads. I think there's beads in there.
Do you like this one or not?
Yeah. And then you've actually got this as well to go in. What's this? It's obviously glitter, duh. But what's the white stuff in here?
That's the thing that makes it like stretchy and
Okay.
thingy.
Is that why it's called magic? What was it called? Unicorn magic slime. Ew!
Hey, the
You've got a rubber band stuck in it. There we go.
Oh, I love this one.
Right, should we put this extra bit in and see what it does? Put it back in the tub then. Well, take the rubber band off of it. You didn't move them out the way. Oh, it smells so nice, this one. Oh, gooey.
Do you like this one?
I do like this one.
This
Here you
is
go,
like-
have this bit. Do. Do you like this one?
It's
This
my
is quite
favourite
cool.
because it's got bits in it.
You like bits, don't you?
It's like
Right, you ready for this lot in as well? I'm going to sprinkle in the
Wait,
glitter.
let me get my hands out.
Going to sprinkle in the glitter.
Wait,
and-
not yet. Can you let me get my hands
Is this
out?
like the activator or something?
I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right, now get kneading. There's the bead. Oh my goodness, that noise. Can you hear that? That's mental. That's so cool. Is this your favourite one? Oh, my mid-top. Oh my goodness, look at it now. Do you want to put your hands in the camera so people can see it?
It's not that stretchy, but it's really sticky.
In that camera, the other camera, so you can have.
It's so sticky.
It is really sticky, this one, isn't it? Oh, I like the beads in it. That's quite satisfying. I'm going to just put this little bit here.
It's so sticky.
Oh my goodness, it is really sticky.
It
this
doesn't
one.
smell that nice anymore.
Yes, it does. But it's got bits.
It's so sticky.
Oh, what's this? This is going to get covered, isn't it?
It's yeah.
Dad, poke your finger in these two.
This
Which two?
this one.
These two.
Yeah.
Smell this. It smells like
It's marzipan.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
But it's got bits in it.
Poke your fingers in those two.
Oh,
Poke
Yeah.
your finger in those two.
they do.
That one's Frappuccino slime.
Oh,
Oh, ugh.
It's fluffy.
It
this one
fluffy,
is
isn't
super
it?
sticky, but it's super satisfying. So that extra
I'm
stuff.
getting used to the stickiness.
Oh,
Now fill the
sticky.
mint. That's mint.
That one's vanilla, so that's your
That's-
favourite scent.
That's vanilla. That's
I think I like the. Oh, it
marzipan.
sticks to everything.
It
doesn't
does.
I like the marzipan one.
Smell and
bits.
fill that one. That one's cloudy.
It's everything's sticking to you at the minute.
It is. What's
That
this one?
one's cloudy. That one's
Oh, that's
mint.
minty.
That's mint choc.
It's yeah.
Mint
It's
cloudy.
gritty, this one.
Show Daddy the keychain.
I can't get the baby off my hands. It's stuck.
You can't eat this.
No,
Larry.
Larry's in here now. Okay, so I've now got really sticky hands. We need something to, like a tablecloth or a towel to wipe our hands in. We've still got more to go.
I'm stuck.
Oh my goodness, while you're sorting that out,
What?
you're far
They
gone
won't
for me
let
to
me.
help you. Don't put it all over my Don't get it on my top. We're back. We've just had to do a little bit of cleaning up because that last one was really sticky, wasn't
I
it?
don't think it's ever going to be coming out of the box again.
Well, no, we'll find a way of making it less sticky. I'm surely we could put some talcum powder in it or something to make it a little
Or
less
hand
sticky.
sanitizer, I think.
Hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, hand sanitizer. Let's not put the beans in yet. We got to
Okay.
feed it first.
Yeah, we got to feel this one.
I really want
oh,
to
I
do
like.
butter slime.
What's butter slime?
Butter slime is where you mould it and it stays there.
Oh, okay. This is candy topped banana slime. So this one is like really yellow. Look at how yellow that is. Still playing with it. Keychain. I wasn't expecting the key rings or the charms, I must admit. So that's a nice little touch actually. I think it's a lovely box. Slime Boutique London. And so yeah, from Etsy I got this. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. That looks like, you know, like foam bananas. That's what that looks like. Don't eat it.
Let's smell.
Oh, it smells like foam bananas.
I want to eat it.
Mmm. That is so good.
How do they do it?
That smells so good. Go on then, the finger prod.
Oh,
Does that feel good?
really? And look, it's not that sticky. It's the last one.
Are you ready?
Can I have a little bit to play with too?
It all came out. I'll leave it as a whole and we're going to have the beads in a minute. Because that's the candy. Look at this.
That's banana. Put it on the table and see if it's
nice.
It's kind of like butter slime.
I don't think it is. Look. Right. You're going to hold it and I'm going to put the candy tops in it.
I haven't
There you
finished
go.
it yet.
It's not as sticky as the other one, I must admit. The other one, the unicorn magic slime.
Oh, that smells so nice.
It does. It smells so good.
This is so satisfying. This one in the mint one.
Pop it in there. Pop it back in there. If you can. Here we're going to have the...
Hopefully
Ready?
not. Oh, that was easy.
That was easy. Look, Grandad's got a button, hasn't he, that you press and he goes, that was easy.
But he's thrown it away because he found
Has
it
it? To
annoying.
be honest, it was that annoying. Go and take that other hand out. Oh my goodness. Eek! Alright, I'm going to put the candy tops in it now.
Props, it's called.
Tops.
I'm just going to wipe my thingy.
Okay. These
Oh, it
are like
actually
little,
works
look at this.
That's a lot.
It is a lot, isn't it?
Oh no, this problem is stuck in my
Oh.
hair.
Your arm hair.
I get made fun of. It's because of that, but I don't care.
Oh, I love that.
Can you let me?
Of course I can. Go on then. Do you want to mix it in?
Yeah.
Go on then. Now though, the thing is we've now got bits of ball everywhere.
That sounds so wrong.
That does sound so good though.
Can I
That
take
is-
it out the thing to mix it?
Yeah, of course you can. As I said, we got the 4-pack, but you can get a 6-pack. And you could, they're big enough to give as gifts, aren't they? You could actually give them out to friends and, well, family. I tell you what, my jumper's absolutely ruined now. It's got so much on it. Oh my goodness, I think this is amazing.
Okay, can you pour them in?
What, you want me to pour them in? I was going to stick them on here and then... It's just amazing! I love this slime. This is my favourite. This is my favourite. It really is.
Is there another thing in there?
There's quite a bit more in there.
What?
Yeah.
Is this it of the slime?
I think
all the
so.
slime.
I think this is the last slime. I'm just going to pick up the rest of
The last is always the best, isn't it?
It is.
Always.
I do like the unicorn one. If we could make it less sticky. I'm sure there's a way. If there's a way we can make it less sticky, if you let us know in the comments below, that would be greatly appreciated.
If you took a little bit, I don't think it would be that sticky.
No, it's stuck to me. If you move quickly when you've got it, it doesn't stick so much.
Can you put it on the table so I can...
Look, I can roll it into a
Poke
ball,
it.
look.
Can you put it on the table?
You don't
so
want
I
to
can
poke it. I'm going to put it in there so you can poke it. There you go. How pokeable is that slime?
Oh, really pokeable.
Yeah, let me tell you what. Let's move it all back in. And then if you move it so it's near the camera. Go on then.
We could do it in slow-mo,
Go on then.
poking it.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, hello. Are you going to play with that now for the rest of the video, are you? Okie dokie, I'll look then. There's still quite some more bits in it. No.
Oh.
We've got some squishies.
When you said there were going to be
It's like,
squishies in, and I'm like, why aren't they called the squishy and slime?
I don't know why it's not called squishy and slime, but it's more slime than it is squishy, isn't it? Here we go. So here's the first squishy that we've got. Look how slow. Is it an octopus? Oh my goodness, that'll go in your squishy collection, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
We're thinking about doing a squishy hunt, like when we did the fidget spinner hunt. We're thinking we might do a squishy hunt soon around our nearest town, which is Bath. What do you think? I don't know what the scent is. Smell it. What do you think that scent is?
Coffee.
Yeah. We've also got this one.
Ah, it's stuck to my dress.
Oh, look at this. It goes with our compliments to Slime Boutique.
Mummy, it's stuck to my dress.
Oh no! So look, we've got little Squidgy. Look how cute he is.
My slime just farted.
Did it just fart? We also
Stuck to the label.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, we should use this.
What?
Here we go. If slime is sticky, make up the borax solution by adding 1 teaspoon of borax to 2 cups of warm water, and this can be stored in old label bottle shake before use, and add borax to a few drops at a time. So with that, we can add some more of this borax.
Yeah, do to this one because this one's kind of sticky.
Yeah, okay. Clear glue-based slimes can be more stretchy by adding a little warm water. See, here's me saying all about that. Look, and then I've got it here, but there's the thingy, look. There's the link. I
Can
will
you
put
please
the link
put some
on
of
the
that in his? Right,
I've got to make it up. Wash hands before and after playing with stuff. The bacteria in your hands can increase the chance of nasty stuff growing on your slime. After playing with slime, always store in the container so it doesn't dry up. But yeah, we could do that. We can get some of the borax and make it less snacky. Warm water and white glue base can be more stretchy by adding hand lotion. In the box, I also found this.
Oops. Yeah. Oh, it smells of bananas.
It is banana.
Smell.
That's our favourite one.
Oh, bananas. Yeah.
This, and it says on this little card that it goes, if slime is sticky, make up the borax solution by adding 1 teaspoon to 2 cups of water.
And we've got
Voila.
So this is borax. So that we can make probably less sticky. So we'll try that later.
Yeah.
after the video.
And we've also got this, which is soft clay.
I want to play with that, sorry.
So they did put these extra little bits in this for us. But oh my goodness.
Oh, is that stuff like?
Yeah.
What was it called?
It's oh, we saw it. What? It was some really weird name, wasn't it? We went to a farm basically, and there'd been a bigger area when they had this stuff. And Dad's like, I've got to get some of that. But look
Really,
at that.
it's no weight in it, and it's really fluffy, isn't it?
Like this. Look at this.
Don't let Izzy touch it there.
No. Look.
Can you wash my hands before I touch it?
Oh, sticky.
So look at that. There's soft clay. That's cool.
Can you help me, Mummy? Can you help me?
I can't help you now. I'm playing with soft clay.
You just got to go really quick with it, look, because then it won't stick to your hand. But if you go really slow, look.
You're right. You're off now, Daddy.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later.
And the last little bit is we have some sweeties.
I want to eat one.
Oh, okay.
Galaxy.
So we got some Galaxy, and we've got actually one of Spencer's favourites, which is a Chubba Chubba Melody Pop, which is the ones that are whistles. So
Which are very annoying.
yes, which I think you can have the chocolate bar and he can have the lolly. Good job. So what is your favourite?
I like the banana slime.
I think the banana slime's my favourite. But sorry, Giselle, would you in the face then?
My least favourite, I would say, was the unicorn one.
I know, but we're going to try and make that better, aren't we? We're going to put some of that borax in it and see if it makes it less sticky. Right, so what's your favourite one altogether? Is it the banana slime?
Banana!
Is it the frappuccino slime? Is it the lemon sorbet cloud slime? Or is it the magic unicorn slime?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna pop some borax in this one, see if we can make it less sticky.
Nice. Look.
Oh yes, I like the mint one and I like the banana one, but I think your favourite's the banana one. It smells so good. So remember, you can go to Etsy, and as I said, I will leave the links below for the seller, which is Slime Boutique London. We love it, don't we? I think we're going to be buying some more, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, should we get the bigger set next time? The six ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments below which one is your favourite slime that we've done today. Yes?
Yeah.
And don't forget to do the little notifications bell so you get notifications of our videos. And if you'd like to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, it would be
Greatly appreciated.
certainly would. And until we see you next time, we shall say
Bye.
bye-bye.